at that. Hi lovelies, it's Mom and Pretty Missy here again, and in today's video we are doing takedown of this viral Miracle Knot Crochet. This hair went viral everywhere. It went viral on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. I'm so amazed for the love I got everywhere. Thank you lovelies for your love and continued support for Mom and Pretty Missy. So today we're gonna take this hair down. In the installation video I posted on YouTube, someone had commented how would the takedown process be. I'm sure a lot of people are curious about how to take this hair down. It is very easy. So I'm gonna reply that comment with the full takedown. I have taken care of this hair for more than a month now, and like I stated in that video, it is so awesome. If you're able to maintain this hair, it can stay up to a month or even more. If you don't want to keep it for more than a month, obviously you need to like refresh this hair. But I think I'm done with the hair right now. I need to take it down. So let's go ahead and take it down. The easiest way to bring this down is to start from the tip. You remember while we were installing it, we started by attaching one of the crochet hair to the tip. So that is where we're gonna start. You don't want to cut it, no. You don't want to damage your hair. You want to be careful in taking out each of these crochet from your natural hair. So let's go ahead. I have with me here the tail comb, so I'm gonna start by loosening it from there. So I'm gonna loosen from the tip here. I'm gonna just loosen. Look at that. After loosening the strand, the crochet hair just came out of my hair. So I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna continue loosening it. You want to be careful by not pulling out your hair, because if you're not careful you might rip your hair out of your scalp, you know. So this is the second one here. See that? Loosening the third one out. Just came out from me. Intact. It can be reused. Look at how intact and neat it came out. And the very last one just came off like that, intact. Look at that. And then this is my natural hair. I've seen several videos online where several influencers have said the crochet hair can cut your hair, can shrink your hair, can damage your hair. It all depends on how you pull the crochet hair down from your hair. So if you follow this method, your hair is gonna be intact. Look at that. No breakage, no shrinkage, no nothing. And that is it. So we're gonna continue. Just gonna lose several. So like I said, always start from the tip. So this is the very, very tip here. I'm going to be using Keranic volumizing shampoo and Keranic volumizing conditioner. So let's go wash the hair. Alright lovelies, I've washed my hair. It has been conditioned and oiled, and this is how it looks. Next, I'm gonna be using Arbor Leaf scalp massager. This is what it looks like. It's a very awesome equipment you should have. This is my first time I've ever coming across a very cute hair massager, and I love it, honestly. And the massage heads can be interchanged with the one I previously showed. So if you don't like the one that is currently on it, you can swap the massage head. So this is just going to help you circulate blood across your scalp. You know, it feels so good. As I'm using it right now, I feel so good. And you could also massage the edges around your hair. Honestly, this is so beautiful, and it's so soothing, because while I was using it, I just started feeling like I wanted to sleep because it was so calming. Worried about charging it? It comes with its own USB cable and also a manual if you so run into difficulty in operating the device. It has its own manual. Honestly, loveless, that was awesome. So next, I'm just gonna braid my hair into 4 sections because I do not like leaving my hair for a while, because it's a natural hair. Leaving it might just add extra tension on my scalp when I'm about to make it. So immediately I wash my hair, I just go ahead and braid it, sometimes into 4 sections and other times into 6 sections. So that is the next thing I'm doing right now. Next is to apply Sappho scalp spray, and the purpose for this is to help strengthen my hair roots and also provide a soothing effect on my scalp. I love this because it was made with amla extract, fenugreek seed extract, aloe vera oil, rosemary oil, avocado oil, apple and lemon. Honestly, the ingredients in the Sappho hair oil is so amazing. Next, I went again with the hair massager just to make sure that spray is completely infused into my hair. Love this. Oh, the feeling is awesome. I love it so much. I love that it's like a calming, soothing relief on my scalp, just like releasing that tension off my hair. And next, I went ahead to install my half wig. The video is gonna be up soon. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Until see you again next time, remember.